Hey, good morning and welcome to 276 4th Street. I'm Joe with Adashun Jones Real Estate. These guys right here. Welcome to my open house. We're going to take a look at 276 4th Street. Today it's listed for $249,900. It's a nice house, pretty well done. You can see from behind me there. There's your front entrance. We'll spin the camera around and I'll keep talking as we're walking. This is what looks like the main living room. Hardwood floors, as you'll see. Really nicely done with the built-in cabinet. TV mount is still there, waiting for your TV and your fireplace insert when you're ready for it. Walking this direction, we have what we would call probably our dining area, our dining room. To our left here, first floor laundry for those of you who love that kind of thing. First floor convenience and a nice sized closet here off of what is arguably the what we would call the master bedroom. It's not a suite because there is no bathroom attached to it, but it's well done, as you can see. It has another entrance to it as well. From our front entrance, I'll spin us around here. Take a look at the entryway. Drop ceiling, nicely updated electrical. Again, hardwood floors throughout. Our upstairs is completely taken care of. Gutted. I mean, not gutted, but it's ready for you. Your ideas here at this particular location are amazing. 2-3 bedrooms, maybe a master suite. Into our first room, maybe an office, perhaps. Spin it around, go through another doorway here, which clearly could be a master bedroom. A nice built-in fireplace as well, is ready for your fireplace insert. Carpet is rather new, the drywall is new. Vaulted ceilings. And we step up into another full bath. There is another one downstairs, but we step up into a full bath right off of this bedroom. Nice little shower. And we step into what could be her dream closet. Look at all this space in this room here for a potential closet. Arguably, your master could be moved upstairs, and this could be your master suite. And around to this direction again here, notice the hardwood floors. Little junk closet for things that not sure where to put them. All the windows are fairly new. And of course, here is what we would call our third bedroom. Currently being used as an office. What do you all think so far? Pretty nice. Owner did a really nice job of getting it cleaned up and straightened out for us too. Not that he was a hoarder or anything, but oh, it's a really nice location. It's located near centralized, also near downtown. If you're into that sort of thing and you need to, and you like the downtown life and excitement, coming back around through here to what we would probably call a dining room, and then a lovely large kitchen. Appliances are included. Gas stove, the microwave, the stainless steel refrigerator, freezer, dishwasher. Well set up and laid out. Here's a cool feature, a pass-through into the main room. And it's not closed, but here is our farm door. It's a cute little thing to have too. We come around here to the second or lower level main bathroom. Full bathroom again. Shower. Plenty of storage. All right, here's the back door area leading to not only the basement, but then also outside. You'll see that the basement is in good shape as we come down around. It's just your typical basement for a 1900s house. Of course, we've got the fieldstone, updated electrical. We'll put the panel back together. I'm not real good about basements, by the way, folks, for those of you who have seen me before. But as we walk through here, I'll try not to bang my head because I am recording and I don't want to swear. I lied. Oh, it's out loud from banging it, but as you can see, there's no evidence of leakage, but there could be some seepage because it is a house here in Fond du Lac from the 1900s. But well maintained. The walls aren't bowing. It's in great shape. Again, this home, 276 4th Street in Fond du Lac. 249.9 is what we have it listed at. This could be the house where you make your new memories. Of course, we go upstairs and out to the patio, which also has a nicely well done patio out here. Central air conditioning. Cute little yard. If you have little ones that need to run around a little bit, you can see it's completely fenced. So if you have pets, they're all good. And then we come out around. Again, you're fully gated here. I can figure out how to make the mechanism work. There we go. Of course, we have a shared driveway. I did meet the neighbor. She's amazing, by the way. And the garage is about less than 10 years old. It's 2-car, well maintained. We could show you that here in just a bit, or you could take a look at the listing pictures. But that's a look at 279 4th Street here in Fond du Lac. It's open today, 11:30 till 1:30. So come and see it before the snowstorm, before Snowmageddon. We know it's coming. That's what they keep telling us. Hello.
Morning.
My friend Lester has joined me. Lester, say hello to the camera for my 3 followers.
Hello there. How's everyone doing?
We're so far so good. Lester, let's tell everybody a little bit about you.
I just started out in real estate, and I'm hoping to shadow Joe to learn the tricks of the trade.
We'll see how tricky I am, Lester.
Okay.
We're starting off with our first trick. We got cookies in the oven.
Ooh, wow, super.
So, folks, that's Lester. He's gonna hang out with us for a little bit. Oh shit, let me spin this around. Hey, that's Lester. He's gonna hang out with us for a little bit today during our open house. We'll see if we get some folks through here before, like I said, Snowmageddon. 279 4th Street, Fond du Lac, listed at 249.9. Come on down and take a look at it. What's it gonna hurt? Start making your new memories today.